What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video, we're actually going down here south of Quitman to some dirt bike racing. If you'll remember, last year about this time I went live on my YouTube channel for a little while up in Philadelphia, Mississippi, when they were racing indoors. But this is going to be an outdoor event. It's one of those where it's kind of the same series, but this is going to be a brand new track. They've tried to race about 2 times, I think, and due to rain it kind of postponed everything. And as you can see, we kind of got a little bit of rain. It's a little overcast, but they don't think it's going to hurt the track any, and if anything it may make it just a little bit more fun, you know, when you mix dirt, mud, and motorcycles. So I just kind of wanted to bring you along. The racetrack is called Big 10 MX, and it's actually a friend of mine. I went to high school with his older brother, and so I kind of want to come down here and support him and also kind of give the track a little bit of exposure, you know. And so I just, like I said, I kind of want to bring you along and think you'll enjoy it. So let's get on to the track.
Mississippi Championship Motocross Series. We appreciate y'all coming. Man, we got a great track today, don't we, guys? Nice. Blake has worked hard. Y'all are walking around here, give him a pat on the back. Good job, Blake. We appreciate it, man. All right, everybody's going to run 4 laps. It's up for the 50 shifter and shaft class. We're going to run them 3. So everybody else 4 laps. No restrictions on jumping stuff. Everything's safe. Besides this crazy jump Tyler's doing right here. Nobody do that unless you're an expert rider.
Thank everybody for coming. Thank the Lord for great tracks and rain. We prayed all week it wouldn't come a flood, and it didn't. It ended up being perfect. We hadn't put any water on the track. So as much as y'all thank me, give Mr. Ronnie Davis a hand. This is all. First things first, today there's one way on and off the track. There's a staging area, a sign says enter. That's where you're going to stage by the starting gate. 2 or 3 classes at a time. Exit the track, you take the finish line, you exit to the right just like you did in practice. It'll be that way all day. There's going to be a lot of people sitting up next to the fence, fans and stuff, and it's kind of tight right there. So everybody please just watch your speed. Take it easy.
Because it's the first time I've been in this event, I really didn't have a full understanding of all the different classes, and you had like 18 different races, but you had some riders that were riding in more than one race. So due to that, the way I'm going to break this video up is I'm going to have it in 3 different sections. I'm going to have your more experienced riders, and then I'll have your beginner riders, which is kind of funny, and you'll see why when we get there, and then I'll have the intermediate riders. Hopefully next time when I go to this event, I'll have a better understanding of all the different classes and be able to show this in more of a chronological order.
So this right here is one of the classes that they have for, you know, very, very beginner riders. You know, you got a lot of parents that are running around the track, which is kind of hilarious. You know, kind of helping the kids, you know, picking bikes up and just helping keep them, you know, motivated to keep going and everything. So it's pretty fun. So let's keep looking around. Alright, so I know I'm not really talking very much, but it's one of those that I know that y'all kind of want to see racing more than you want to see me. And so that's kind of the reason why this video I'm doing a lot more of just showing the different types of racing and everything. But you know, it's one of those where when I was a kid, I always wanted to race dirt bikes. And so being able to come out here and watch some of these kids that are actually able to, you know, it's pretty cool to see, you know, even the parents getting involved, like I was showing you on that one class, you know, so it's a really good event. You know, I'm sure that close to y'all is some type of dirt bike racing, you know, even if it's just the small series, even if it's not the AMA, you know, super motocross or motocross and stuff like that. So y'all get out, kind of search and find some of these, you know, little short, small tracks, you know, because there's kids out there that are dreaming, kind of like I was when I was their age, of, you know, racing in supercross or racing in motocross, you know. And so y'all, let's keep on watching some of this racing. So they even have electric bikes out here racing with them, you know, as a beginner class. So even if you can get your kid an electric bike, go ahead and get them one and bring them out here to the track. right, YouTube, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's one of those, as you saw, you know, I kind of want to show you the racing, so apologize, I'm not really talking very much in this video, but I kind of wanted to show you more of the racing than me and everything. But both of my batteries and my GoPros are about to die, and so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And y'all leave me a comment. Y'all let me know what you thought about this racing, and do y'all actually support some of your local dirt bike tracks, you know? And y'all let me know if y'all do, because I really appreciate you letting me know. And if you want to, share this with some of your friends too, you know, that may have some kids that have dirt bikes, because I mean they have even pit bikes that they can race on these tracks and everything. So there's not an excuse for, you know, a lot of parents to not get their kids involved in this type of stuff, because you know there's a lot worse things that kids can be doing than spending a whole Saturday outside racing. So until the next video, always take the center, and I'll see y'all then.